Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make a beautiful round handmade coin purse, perfect for beginners and fun to make it. I have taken this beautiful printed fabric and cut into round shape with the diameter 15 centimeter. We want 2 pieces of main fabric, 2 pieces of lining fabric and 2 pieces of felt with the same measurement. As I have already told in previous videos, instead of felt, you can use canvas or sponge. We are attaching the zipper for half portion of the purse. So I have folded the main fabric, placed the zipper on it and thus measuring the length of the zipper. And also we require the runner. Take the main fabric, place the felt on it and stitch it in a circular way for both the pieces. After stitching, we got our front and back panel of the purse. We are going to attach the zipper to the half portion of the purse. So here I have folded the panels and marked the midpoint on both the sides for both the panels. First, we need to make small cuts on both the sides of zipper. This will help in bending and stitching. For straight stitch, these notches are not required. Then keep the zipper on the main panel from the marked point. Note that right side of the zipper should face the right side of main panel. Afterwards, lining fabric should be kept on the zipper. Make sure that the main panel, zipper and lining clothes are in line and stitch all this together. Now our front panel is attached with the zipper. Turn it and give a top stitch on the main fabric. Keep the second panel on the zipper so that the right side of first panel and right side of second panel faces together. Now turn it and keep the lining cloth in other side. We can use the beaded pins to secure these and then stitch all these together. Now the zipper is attached with both the panels. Turn it and top stitch the second part of the zipper which we have attached now. Take the runner and insert it into the zipper. Turn this as I am doing in the video and place the main panel towards one side and the lining towards another side. Then stitch the unjoined side of the main panel and half portion of the lining. The gap in the lining is to turn the cloth inside out after stitching. Start turning the cloth right side out from this opening. Now it's time to pull the lining cloth outwards and to stitch the unstitched part. Insert back the lining to inside. Here our cute, beautiful flower printed coin purse is ready. I enjoyed making this cute round purse. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have any questions, please ask in comment section. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If you want me to make some other handmade items, please suggest me in a comment section. I will be happy to make it for you. See you all in next video with another new product. Thank you for watching.